Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play key drums. Key drums are fantastic instruments that merge the tactile feel of a keyboard with the powerful sounds of a drum kit. They provide a unique platform for musicians to craft intricate rhythms and even integrate melodic elements all at once. Many models come equipped with velocity-sensitive pads, allowing you to add incredible dynamics and expression to your performances, making every beat truly your own. Getting started is straightforward. First, connect your key drum controller to your computer or a dedicated sound module using a USB cable or MIDI connection. Next, make sure your audio output is correctly configured so you can hear all the amazing sounds you are about to create. Finally, position your key drum comfortably within easy reach, ensuring a natural and ergonomic playing posture for extended sessions. Now, let's dive into playing. Begin by practicing fundamental drum patterns, focusing on the kick, snare, and hi-hat sounds. Use your fingers to strike the velocity-sensitive pads, experimenting with varying force to achieve different dynamics, from soft taps to powerful accents. Don't be afraid to explore various finger combinations and hand positions to unlock more complex and interesting rhythmic possibilities. To elevate your playing, try incorporating melodic elements by assigning specific musical notes to different pads. Explore the built-in effects and extensive sound banks often available, which can dramatically expand your creative palette. Remember, consistent daily practice is key. Dedicating at least 15 minutes each day will significantly improve your coordination, speed, and overall musicality over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.